సో 2025లో AVNIT జాయిన్ అయ్యేటువంటి విద్యార్థుల కోసం R&D డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి ధనలక్ష్మి మేడం అండ్ వాళ్ళ టీము మరియు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులు ఒక వెల్కమ్ నోటు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఒకసారి విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్.
We are welcome you. We don't want to the talented and if you should be excel in everything. If you are talented, it's very good. Or also, if you are a normal candidate, if you come inside to our R&D, we will make you to the best in that world in the field of research and development, as well as average students itself. We are making them to the excel in their field only if they are ready to put their hard work. This R&D required only the hard work and continuous working in the field of their domain. That's enough to enhance themselves.
Okay.
From the R&D, we welcome to come and join us and get your ideas into innovation.
If any students have real-time ideas which solves our real-world problems, all are welcome and join our R&D department and develop the ideas.
Join the AVNIT and brighten your future.
As I am part of this R&D student, I can say is that there is no partiality between the departments. I say everyone to come to the incubation unit and explore your ideas and give your ideas to the faculty and join with them and increase your knowledge. Thank you.
Join AVNIT and show your talent in technical and non-technical events. Our faculty supports in everything. Thank you.
To get the more practical knowledge and the research purpose, please join with the R&D AVNIT.
We are happy to be a part of the R&D in AVNIT. We request all of you to join the AVNIT college for future to build it better.
సో ఇదండి AVNITలో ఈరోజు మన క్యాంపస్ టూర్లో భాగంగా ఈరోజు మన R&D సెక్షన్ అయితే మనం కవర్ చేసాం. సో విల్ మీట్ విత్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్ క్యాంపస్ టూర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.